Create a large accessible spice wall so anyone in a busy household can grab seasonings quickly during peak mealtimes. Design the wall on a sturdy sheet of steel at counter height running at least 3 to 6 feet so it is within easy reach for most users and centered near the main cooking zone. Use magnetic jars with strong neodymium magnets bonded to the jar lids and a powder-coated steel backer to prevent rust and allow repositioning as recipes change. For deeper storage, consider a vertical pull-out rack mounted in a narrow cabinet next to the stove that slides on soft close slides and has adjustable shelf heights to fit tall bottles and short jars. If you prefer drawers, install a shallow full-width spice drawer with fitted slots and clear snap lids so labels face up and the lids protect against spills while keeping contents visible. Standardize labels with large, high-contrast text and include a top-down label orientation so someone looking down can read quickly at a glance without removing lids. Position the most used 5 to 10 spices nearest eye level and the stove, and keep less frequent items higher or lower. Maintain a simple grouping like baking, herbs, blends, and chilies to reduce searching time during busy shifts. Common mistakes include putting the wall too high so shorter family members cannot reach it, which you can avoid by measuring reach zones and placing the primary row at a maximum of 5 feet 6 inches or commissioning an accessible lower row. Another issue is weak magnets or thin lids that slide off during cooking. Fix this by selecting magnetic jars with bonded magnets rated for at least 5 pounds pull force and testing each jar before final placement. A third common error is cluttered, unlabeled containers that slow selection. Prevent this by limiting the inventory to essentials, using uniform containers, and using top-down labels with both spice name and a short-use hint like for roasting or curry. So decision time is minimal. We run bighomeprojects.com where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors for large kitchen upgrades and accessible storage installations. We also help contractors find work and grow their projects, and we host an active discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share plans, measurements, and tips.